So the Breastfeeding Art Expo is a community art expo. It includes 15 community art projects that were developed across the geographical region of Interior Health, which is from includes the Okanagan, the Kootenays, and the Thompson Caribou. And it also included 65 independent artworks that were submitted by artists who just wanted to explore the topic of breastfeeding. The community art projects were done by professional artists who worked with community members on different topics of breastfeeding and range from dance to sculpture to high school students to seniors. It was a great variety of art.
We've had a lot of people really excited to come in and see such a unique exhibition within a gallery space. And it's certainly given us the opportunity to show people that artwork is a form of communication. And so being able to partner with an organization such as Interior Health really allows us to approach art and the education of art from a very different perspective.
This project is a partnership between Interior Health and Kelowna Community Resources, and it's a really unique partnership because we also involved 35 community organizations as partners and 5 major sponsors. So there's been a lot of people involved in this project over a full year period because the expo is traveling across the region to 5 locations over the period of a full year.
A lot of people are really impressed at the variety of the artwork. There's fiber art, there's acrylics, there's oils, there's photography. A lot of them have been really impressed with not just the variety of the media, but the variety of interpretation in relating to breastfeeding. So
the outcomes for this art expo are quite broad. They range from just increasing awareness about breastfeeding. We're also wanting to enhance art and health because there's a lot of evidence that art is a good way to improve health. And we'd also like to see improvements in practices in the hospital related to supporting women to breastfeed successfully and for long term.
With this exhibition in particular, we have not only the art lovers that come in, but we also have the people from a health perspective that are coming in and are curious to come and explore such a relevant topic in a totally different perspective and from a different perspective. And that's what we're always trying to teach art is about, is trying to approach things from a different point of view. And certainly by partnering with different organizations to put on community projects such as this, it really allows us to open up that conversation and dialogue around different topics that are relevant to the community.
As far as I know, this is the only expo specifically related to breastfeeding anywhere in the world. And people from all over North America who are learning about it through the website are contacting me and saying, you know, can we have the expo in our community because it's just so different. I think it's a stepping stone to something more. It's a stepping stone to getting better policies, hopefully in hospitals across Canada, so that all women receive consistent and top priority care to be able to breastfeed their babies. I also see it as a stepping stone to get breastfeeding talked about in the school system so that children start learning about breastfeeding from an early age, and it's not something that they're shy about or afraid of. And when mothers become young mothers, it's something that they can say, well, of course that's what I'm going to do because it's natural and they've seen it and they understand it.